What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make this simple fruity smoothie with only about 3 to 4 ingredients. If you want to see how I make this, just keep on watching. So the first smoothie that I will be making is a strawberry, pineapple, banana smoothie. Now I'm going to use my vanilla almond milk. I usually use unsweetened, but they didn't have it at the time, so I had to get vanilla. But I'm only going to put about 6 ounces of this because I don't want a lot of the taste from the almond milk. I want to taste more of the fruit, so I'm only going to put 6 ounces in here. Next, I'm going to be adding some pineapple chunks. I'm only going to use about a handful of them. I'm not going to put a lot in it because, as I said, it's going to be a fruity smoothie, so I don't want to add too much of it. And I'm going to blend this first like I always do, and I've told you in my other videos, I like to go ahead and blend each fruit so that I know it can be blended well. Now that has blended, I'm going to throw in half of a frozen banana and blend that up as well. Next, I'm just going to throw in about a handful of strawberries. These are fresh cut strawberries, but you can use frozen strawberries as well. First one done, thick and creamy and looks so delicious. Time to give it a try. So for the second smoothie, I will be using almond milk again, and I will be doing 6 ounces as well. For this smoothie, I will be using strawberry, grapes, and bananas. First, I'm going to add a handful of fresh strawberries. Next, I'm going to add in just a handful of frozen grapes. Next, I'm going to add in half of a frozen banana. more easy to make delicious smoothies that I made with my BlendJet 2. You guys, if there's any recipes that you would like me to make, any kind of smoothies, any kind of sauces, comment down below and let me know, and I will be glad to make that in my BlendJet 2. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.